Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. I got some bad news. When I was doing the video for the install of the Eleanor quarter window scoops, I don't know, for some reason my video got mangled up, and yeah, I lost the coverage of the install. So I'm going to do a quick walk around of the car. You can see they still have the tape holding the scoops to the car. It turned out really good, so I'm just here to take the tape off right now because the car is pretty warm, and now I got the 3M tape pretty much seated in now. So we're just going to pull the tape off. Hopefully painter's tape shouldn't stick. Yeah, I was really depressed. I was went back and took the video from my GoPro onto my PC, and for some reason the video got mangled. Yeah, that's my dog barking right now. Alright, anyways, as I was saying, the install went pretty good. I still got to clean the scoops up though. When I got it from the body shop, you can see right in here there's some leftover primer. So what I'm going to try to do is, it's not all clear coated in there, which I should have saw before I picked the scoops up. But anyways, as you can see, I did my custom wire mesh inserts. So I added those in the front and in the back, as you can see there. But overall, yeah, it turned out really good. I might just do some black touch-up paint in there just to try to get the white primer out. So other than that, once again guys, I apologize. I'm kind of pissed off myself that the video screwed up, but just wanted to give you an updated video of the install and how it looks. So let me know what you guys think. Put your comments down below, give it a like, and don't forget, if you're not subscribed, give me a subscribe. It really helps a lot. Helps that algorithm too if you share the video. Once again, this is Short Fuse. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys take care now.